I'm pretty sure no one told this method on the whole internet, and a lot of people are already making thousands of dollars with this method. Weeks ago, I found the laziest way to make huge money with zero efforts and experience. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch the video till the very end. Because those who stick around until the end will be able to make a lot of money in upcoming days. Let's get started. If you go to Fiverr and search for subtitles, you'll see that many sellers are making thousands of dollars by adding subtitles to clients' videos. You might be wondering, how can I do this without any experience or effort? Well, I found an amazing AI tool that can generate captions in various styles, like Hormozi, Ali Abdal, and Iman Gaji, all for free. No, CapCut or Captions AI isn't what you are thinking, but I'll reveal this tool only to those who watch till the very end. Now, take a look at this seller's gig. He has a massive number of reviews. If we multiply the total number of reviews by the price of his standard package, we see they've earned around $60,180 from just one gig. Another seller with 1K plus reviews has made nearly $40,000. There are plenty of examples of people making thousands of dollars this way. The best part? They don't know the secret method we do. To get started on Fiverr, first, go to their website and sign up using your email address. Make sure to fill in your basic details like languages you speak, your occupation, skills, and education. Once you've done this, hit continue. Now, the first step is to create a ranking gig to showcase what you're selling to potential clients. To do this effectively, take a look at other sellers' gigs. Pay attention to their titles, descriptions, and pricing. You can combine elements from 2 or 3 sellers to create your own unique gig. If you want to be more creative, follow these steps. Install the AIPRM extension from Chrome Web Store. Once the extension is added, go back to ChatGPT. You'll notice that the interface has changed and now offers over 4,000 prompts. Search for Fiverr in the prompt search bar and choose any prompt that suits your needs. Enter your gig title, and it will generate an SEO-optimized description, keywords, and title for you. Next, start creating your gig. If you get stuck at any point, there are plenty of in-depth tutorials on YouTube about gig creation. Good luck! Let's learn how to do captions. Suppose a client asks you to add social media captions with emojis to a video. Here's how you can do it, using a video as an example. First, open the video in any editing app or software. I'm using CapCut for this demonstration. Start by checking the video for any extra space or gaps that can be trimmed. Next, add a green layer on top of the video and export it. This green layer will help in the next step. Now, it's time to introduce the magic of AI with the tool submagic.io. Sign up using your Gmail account. Once you're signed up, you can add subtitles to a maximum of 3 videos, but there will be a large watermark. If you're curious about how to use this service without any limitations and without paying, stay connected. I'll explain how you can do that shortly. Select and upload the video we exported with the green background. The upload might take some time, so be patient. Once it's uploaded, you can choose any style from the options available, such as the famous Ali Abdal, Hormozi, and Iman Gaji styles. For this example, I'll use the Beast style. Click on Edit Theme and replace the green color with your preferred color. Now click on Captions. Here, you can correct any spelling errors and add emojis to your captions. Once you've made all the adjustments, click on Export and leave the settings as they are. Don't worry about the watermark. I'll explain why in a bit. The exporting process might take a few seconds. After the video is ready, click on the 3 dots and download the video. Now, return to the editor where you left off. Delete the green layer and replace it with the subtitle video we just downloaded from Submagic. Select this new layer, click on Remove Background, then on Chroma Key, and choose the green color. Click on Mask, select Horizontal, rotate it, and adjust it to cover the subtitle area only. Now you realize, why did I say zero experience at the start of the video? Yeah, you got me.
Let's say you have completed all 3 videos. First, go to Temp Mail to get a temporary email address. Copy the email address provided. This will be your inbox where you'll receive the OTP or confirmation code. Next, head over to the Submagic sign-up page and register using the temporary email address. When they send the confirmation code, return to the Temp Mail tab where you will find the email from Submagic. Open the email and click on the Confirm Your Mail link. That's all there is to it. When your trial period with this email ends, just repeat the process and enjoy the free version of the AI tool. Now you know the process, so you can easily find the clients and start selling this service on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr. But if you are still thinking or have any question in mind, leave a comment below. You won't regret watching this video, trust me. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this helpful. See you in the next video.